Guys, it's raining. Today is May 2. So, this is what we call Agua de Mayo, and we have to make some rain. Well, according to my mother, that when you got yourself into this kind of rain during May, the first day of May or any day of May, this is what we call Agua de Mayo, and then you will be healthier than ever. You will not get sick. See that? Agua de Mayo. It's very good in our health. So if you are in your place and then you have to catch up the first train of May, remember it's Agua de Mayo. So let yourself get train. It's some kind of a blessing. Rain, rain, don't go away. Come every day, each and every day. Bye for now. Agua de Mayo. Thank you, Lord, for all the wonderful blessings. Bye.